Hello guys, Def1 here, and today we are going to be reviewing, or comparing, as I should say, ball versus canister shell. So, a ball shell is consisted of a small charge in the bottom of it, which is your launch charge, which is what will shoot it up out of the tube. And they can have ranges of different effects and tails. So, like for instance, whistling tail. So when it shoots up, it will whistle on its way up and create an effect when it explodes. But they all come in different sizes. I think they go up to like 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch. When you get all the way up into there, you get up to professional fireworks. But this here is 1.14, and it's Class C fireworks. And a ball shell, like I said, consists of your launch charge, and then inside there is a thick wick. It's about this long, and about two or three of these around, and it's just about this long, and it goes from that flash charge to your effect charge. And what it'll do is when this launches out, it'll light that fuse, and that fuse will go up, and then it'll catch all this on fire, and that's when you get your explosion. So that's how that works. And typically you get a cardboard tube for these, just like this one. Now on to the canister shell. The canister shell, it looks like a can. That's why they call it a canister shell, because it looks like a can. This one here says it's red and green palm. This one is from the Power of Thor kit that I have from Supreme Fireworks. This one here is a Legend assorted shell. So typically these ones have 60 grams of powder. Like I said, it's pretty much the same thing as the ball shell inside, just more powder, and it's in a canister shell. And it's cylinder. Otherwise, the ball is kind of, pear shaped. But in a kit, you will usually get a fiberglass mortar like this one to withstand more power, and you just drop it in all the way to the bottom, just like that, just like the ball shell, and the tube will hold up better than your cardboard tube that you usually will get with your ball shells. And in the canister shell, the fiberglass mortar does have concrete to weigh it down so it doesn't tip over, and that helps a lot tremendously. This one here has 3 supports on the bottom of it to hold the tube down. Usually they're 2, but it's better to have more than 2 because it can separate and could blow the end off of this thing. So when you do use this one, you want to weigh it down with bricks on each side just to be safe so it doesn't tip over. Now definitely the one factor that you will get with the ball and canister shells is definitely the size, the power, and the sound. You're not going to get the sound of this out of a canister shell. The canister shell is just going to be so much better of a performance than what your ball shell will be. Usually, because the canister shell has more power than what a ball shell does. And I think that this has a better report than what this one does. And it's just it all comes down to the size and the power. So, alright guys, Def1 sign out. Peace. Hope you like it. Can subscribe for more videos. Peace.